country people, not be smarting on my country people. They don't pour sansan put for Ashawo Gary, my country people. And I know say they thought say Ashawo when they Benin say na 50,000, I they paid them for a night. My country people, Governor Obaseki don't ban Ashawo for Benin. He say you don't want to see Ashawo again. You don't want to see Olosho for Benin. Say Ashawo must stop for Benin. Oh, baby, I don't mind me. I don't mind me. He said, he said, oh, he said Ashawo. He said Ashawo must stop for Benin. Say you don't want Ashawo again. May ladies know they do Ashawo. Oh God. Say he don't ban Ashawo. Wait though, I won't ask question. First of all, and I know say all this Ashawo will not be their fault. This money when Ashawo they make, they use them, they help themselves, they help their family, they pay school fees because there's no job. And I understand, I know say wetin Obaseki do. If you do and make the city make for, you know, make Ashawo for reduce, but they not create job for them. What did they go they do? No job for the countryside. You know, if you ban Ashawo like that, too, because they use until they help themselves, they eat, they feed. And I understand, not beside they support Ashawo. I know they support Ashawo. We know say Ashawo not be work at all, you know. All this the youth are not supposed to create work for them, not be by stop Ashawo. But my people, what it make me carry this Ashawo matter? Be say, you get me the when I cross for Benin, so Ashawo where they for the stand. That's so that they rock it. They rock it. I say who the pursue now. I say who the pursue now? He said na Governor Baseki. Say Governor Baseki don't ban Ashawo. Say they don't want to see Ashawo for Benin City again. They don't want to see Ashawo, we Ashawo for the stand for street. My country people, if you're not sit tight when they wear, as they rock ticket, they rock kata. I'll put the video for you. Una for see where Ashawo carry the shoe for hand, they run for their life. I don't mock them. I don't mock them at all. They say na condition, na it make a crayfish bent. Now it be this one. Wait Obaseki for do if for find work, you know, if for create more job for the, you know, for the ladies, all those people when they do Ashawo, we know say men still they do Ashawo, ladies now the both side. There is no job for the countryside. What did they go do? What did they go do? May they just put their hand hungry, go kill them for inside. No, the ones when no, you know, the ones when no say thief no good. Now those people when they go they do Ashawo now, no work. No work for another country. You know, see say Ashawo they stand for street anyhow. Not be say Ashawo not there. For their own citizens that they do them in a normal way. But you know they display themselves for street like that. You know they stand everywhere. Ashawo. You will go hotel for Nigeria. You will see Ashawo with naked half pint. They will stand. The price a month na 50,000 na 100K for a night. Who does that? May Nigeria government may they try to create job for the citizen. May all these things stop. May thief stop. All this bad thing. Work not the country. Waiting on at all. May the youth they do. They go. What the thief go thief? Who go do Ashawo? Go do Ashawo. Not beside they say all those things. It's not good. But you people have to create job for these guys. All these people. In fact, the youth, the citizen. May not create job for us. I beg now with the beg now. May I leave Ashawo. Ashawo will not be problem of Nigeria because problem of that country is big. Problem of that country big. We know say Ashawo will not be work. Ashawo will not be work. Men are not the post as how they put for their garri. Now that plate, now some people for the, you know, they earn their money when they take the leave, they do everything. You know, if they won't buy pint now there, we know say Ashawo not good, Ashawo not be work, honestly. But on are supposed to create job for the citizen, for the youth. May all this thing for not they happen again. May all this bad thing for not they happen. Not be tomorrow on I go to complain say we want ban Ashawo, we want ban this, we want ban Okada, we want ban keke, no work. All this thing you have to stop. And I create work for the youth. Make the youth they go work. If they break, they go carry the bag. Because for another country, you know, if you say picking of 18 years, you know they work. If they work, as he graduate for school, as he finish school, he go find work. He go see work. They go they pay him his salary. They pay them salary. So they receive 2,000 euro. 2,000 euro. If you rate them to Nigerian money, almost 600,000, be 800,000 for year. Because I don't understand Nigeria, honestly. I don't understand. Baba thing just food that country. Ashawo, thief, kidnap, different thing. I fool am because of the bad leaders. I don't understand. Because all this for my own, Ashawo not be problem of Nigeria. But what it make me carry a cup? Because the way when they take they run, Jesus, no be smart, you know. They clear. In fact, the road do few. The road come free if you see the way when they take the run. I say Jesus. But shall we not be work but na mileage. When I know mind me, it is swear. All this thing it must stop. It must stop by the grace of God. All this thing, everybody must get job for this country. And now we will be youth, the citizens, the youth. Now we must change this country. Not be all this our fathers, so because they're not the reason. The way when we take the reason now, all this thing must stop. Honestly, okay, my country people. Now now one for live. My people, Ashawo not be work, but now managing. They manage until they, you know, they help themselves, they rub cream, they eat, they send money, give the family, because the country, economy, nothing they work for that country. People know if you buy food, eat, all those kind of things. Now it makes some people can't enter Ashawo because of the condition. They know they see food, eat for house, their mama they suffer because they want wipe tears away for their mama face. Not be say they just purposely they do the Ashawo. Some people know they purposely they do Ashawo, honestly, because of the condition, because of the hardship. They know the seafood they eat. Some go put their hand for bad thing because of all this thing. I make some people just they put hand for bad thing. Some go join Ashawo, some go join this one, some go join this one. Nothing. That is the reason why. Not be say I they laugh because the thing they make me they laugh. The way when they take run come off for street, the way when they take chase them as they run kitty, they run kata. Now it make me come talk this thing. They don't ban the Ashawo. They say government say they don't want to see Ashawo for streets again. And the money when they pay them for a night now 50,000. Wow, the money big, honestly. They use until they, you know, they maintain themselves, money for maintenance. But Ashawo not be work. Honestly, make the leaders, make they provide work for the youth, honestly. Okay, my country people, now here now one for live on now. Ashawo not be work, but now managing. But my people, if you they do Ashawo, not they do Ashawo not be work. We know say na condition, na make crayfish bent. Na condition. I not mock say some people they do Ashawo, I not mock at all. Now condition, if not be condition, honestly, they no join the Ashawos. Okay, my country people, now here now I want for leave you guys. Have a nice day. Ciao.
This is the hammer right now. They don't choose all of the commodities. So dry, no get around. No get around.